Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best thin insulation is probably one of the most transformative advancements in home energy efficiency, offering superior thermal performance without compromising valuable living space. In this video, we will explore the top-rated thin insulation options available on the market today, comparing their effectiveness, ease of installation, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your home improvement project. Number 5. SmartSHIELD Reflective Insulation Roll. It reflects 95% of radiant heat, keeping your space comfortable year-round. This makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Unaffected by humidity and moisture, it's ideal for any climate. You can use it with confidence in any environment. It effectively blocks sound waves, creating a quieter and more peaceful atmosphere. Enjoy the peace and quiet it provides. It features a 3 mm closed-cell polyethylene foam core for strength and durability. This is sandwiched between highly reflective foil for superior performance. It's non-toxic and won't irritate skin or eyes. Plus, it's easy to install, cut, and clean. It's a versatile, high-performance insulation that's perfect for a wide range of applications. Experience the difference today. What we like. This insulation is a triple threat, blocking radiant heat, moisture, and noise. If you need a versatile solution for various applications, from attics to basements, this is the perfect choice. Its superior performance makes it ideal for those seeking comprehensive protection and peace of mind. What people say. The foam core and reflective surface work together to block radiant heat, helping maintain comfortable temperatures indoors. It's lightweight yet durable and easy to cut for custom sizing, making installation a breeze. This stuff definitely created a thermal barrier between the super cold cement block that the seedling sat on. That block is such a huge mass that there's no way a heating pad is going to ever warm it up. The insulation also created at least a basic vapor barrier on the interface W crawlspace, blocking a lot of drafts and little gaps. It was easy to cut with sharp scissors and definitely cut down the heat load of the morning sun on my garage, though not as much as I had hoped. I don't have accurate data, but if I can believe my garage door opener interface, it seems to keep the peak heat down by about 8 to 10 degrees versus no insulation. Number 4. MOTUKA Reflective Insulation Panel. This innovative insulation panel is designed to enhance energy efficiency and comfort in your home or vehicle. It's easy to install and requires no special tools or protective gear. Made from high-quality, closed-cell polyethylene foam and pure aluminum foil, it's lightweight, durable, and safe for handling. It's also non-toxic and fiber-free. It reduces the strain on your HVAC systems, keeping your space warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Enjoy significant cost savings on your energy bills. Use it in your home's walls, ceilings, floors, or even in your car, on the roof, hood, or trunk. It's incredibly adaptable to various needs. It's simple to install, just staple, nail, glue, or use spray adhesive to secure it in place. No special skills are required. This panel also offers soundproofing properties, reducing noise levels in your home or vehicle. Enjoy a quieter and more peaceful environment. Upgrade your home or vehicle's insulation with MOTUKA. Experience the difference of superior comfort and energy savings. What we like. It's easy to work with and completely safe. If you value ease of use and peace of mind, this is for you. Its user-friendly design and non-toxic materials make it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. What people say. Easy to install. Just cut to size and place in a window frame. The insulation seems to be made well. Works as a foam barrier should. Reflective material and foam gets creased. Not a deal breaker though, since I'm cutting it up. Number 3. 5 mm Reflective Insulation Foam. This innovative insulation is designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. It's lightweight, durable, and easy to install. It features a double layer of aluminum foil for superior radiant barrier protection. This helps reflect 95% of radiant heat. It effectively reflects radiant energy, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. This can significantly reduce your energy bills. It acts as a vapor and sound barrier, protecting your home from moisture and noise. Enjoy a quieter, more comfortable living space. It's incredibly easy to install. You can cut it with scissors and secure it with nails, glue, or spray adhesive. It's perfect for ceilings, walls, roofs, and more. Use it in your home, garage, or even your barn. It's 5 mm thick and measures 40x80, providing ample coverage for your insulation needs. It's also non-toxic and fire-resistant. What we like. With double-layered foil, it provides superior heat reflection. If you're looking for maximum thermal protection and simple installation, this is a great option. Its robust design and ease of use make it suitable for various projects, from home insulation to commercial applications. What people say. I used it for extra installation for a cat house for feral cats that I feed. After I had installed the 1-inch film insulation with the adhesive, which took a few days because I let each area dry, I installed this using upholstery pins to twist into the foam insulation board. I use this as extra insulation barrier in a travel trailer. I double it up for a few areas where there's thin walls or sheet metal exposed in storage. Works well. So much to love about this insulation. First, it can be cut with scissors, no special equipment required. Installation can be done with a staple gun. There is no itchy fiberglass involved. Our value yet to be determined, but at the least it should make a good vapor wind barrier. Number 2. Froth-Pak 650 Spray Foam Kit. This innovative spray foam insulation kit is perfect for a wide range of applications. It's easy to use and provides superior insulation. It effectively fills cavities, cracks, and expansion joints up to 2 inches thick. This creates an airtight seal, preventing energy loss. With this kit, you can insulate a large area. You'll get up to 650 board feet of foam, enough for many projects. It features a patented nozzle for improved mixing and reduced overspray. This ensures a smooth, even application and minimizes waste. It boasts an impressive R value of R6 per inch. This means superior insulation and significant energy savings. It's made with environmentally conscious materials. It's Green Circle certified, LEED v4 compliant, and ICC listed. This product is proudly made in the USA with high-quality materials. You can trust in its durability and performance. It's a Class A fire-rated foam, providing an extra layer of safety for your home or building. This ensures peace of mind. What we like. This spray foam provides a seamless, airtight seal. If you need a fast, efficient insulation solution for hard-to-reach areas, this is your best bet. Its quick curing time and eco-friendly composition make it perfect for those seeking a sustainable and effective insulation solution. What people say. Was just enough to do the whole project, no complaints, good system. This gave me professional results at less cost and worked around my schedule. Super easy to apply. Insulates well. Number 1. 400 SF Foam Insulation. This innovative insulation is designed for warehouse buildings, offering superior protection against heat and condensation. It's a simple solution for a more efficient and comfortable space. Despite its slim profile, it's incredibly effective. It prevents 97% of radiant heat transfer, keeping your building comfortable year-round. The white, non-perforated finish reflects sunlight, reducing heat absorption and keeping your energy costs low. It also enhances the overall look of your warehouse. It creates a reliable vapor barrier, preventing condensation buildup and protecting your building structure from moisture damage. It seals perfectly around nails, ensuring a completely leak-proof barrier. This means no more worries about air leaks or compromised insulation. It's the perfect solution for warehouse buildings of all sizes, providing exceptional insulation and protection. Upgrade your warehouse today. What we like. This insulation is designed to prevent moisture buildup and heat transfer. If you are looking for a simple solution to control condensation and radiant heat in larger spaces, this is a great choice. Its ease of installation and effectiveness make it ideal for warehouses and large buildings. What people say. Unbelievable how easy it was to install, I put it up with no help. I'm 66 and had never done any work like this. Rigged up 3 trapeze sticks, ran it over from one side to the other, started stapling from the far side up and over. Taped the seams and it looks great, ready for sheetrock. Easily cut to size for about 20 sections for 2 garage doors and only used 200 square feet, stays in place without tape or glue as it does not curl, so the garage door bars are enough. Exactly what you would want. Easy to tape with whatever you have, foil backed or ducked, and easy to cut. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.